Hey guys, today we're unboxing the Aim MX2E dashboard for Lotus Elise and Exige models. So we're going to open the box and show you what's inside. So here we've got an instruction manual which covers how to install the dash. We've got an Aim sticker and a reference to the online user guide. Inside the box we have the cluster, the binnacle rather, which you can see has two buttons on the side, on either side, and a wiring harness inside with a GPS tracker, which you can see in there. And then in the very bottom of the box we have the dashboard itself, which is wrapped up in some bubble wrap.